Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials. This is the question for today. In this video, why are you pulling chest instead of using the kind of mixed voice? She's meaning the video where I'm singing placebo meds. Why are you pulling chest instead of using kind of mixed voice that you demonstrate in your videos? The way you sing the high parts in the song sound like yelling you demonstrate. Is this because it is impossible to sing powerfully in mixed voice? No, it's not impossible to sing powerfully in mixed voice. Mixed voice is your technique to be able to sing powerfully. Let me explain you. So, what is mixed voice? This is our head voice when we use only edges of our vocal cords. This is chest voice. We use the full surface. We use the maximum density, maximum degree of vocal cord closure. Not only edges, but with maximum density. But everything between is mixed voice. Everything. It means that 99% of chest voice and 1% head voice is mixed voice. And also 1% chest voice and 99% head voice is also mixed voice. So this is the 3D picture, okay? This is our vocal cords. Our vocal cords. Now, as they close, they give us the pitch of the song, like for example, we take this pitch. Let's look at this in 3D. With maximum density, maximum vocal cord closure, this same pitch would sound like but in head voice it would sound like something like this. So the reason why I'm singing in my full voice, first because I like this maximum density, and one of the reasons is it's a low note. It's right above the bridge. It's right above my chest register, a little bit above. So it's just the beginning of the mixed voice. And as I told you, you can sing 99% chest voice or 1% chest voice, and it will also be mixed voice. And you can regulate that density of vocal cord closure. For example, 10% of head voice, it would be light mixed voice. Maximum density of vocal cord closure, it would be heavy mixed voice, belting. It's also called belting. Something between 50% is called medium mixed. So there are many names, but there is one idea of everything. Only one idea. That everything between edges and full density of vocal cord closure, everything between is your mixed voice. That's the idea. What else can I say? Yeah, the higher you go, the lower the limit of this chesty sound. So for me, A4, B4, I would have this limit, and I can sing only about 60% of chest voice, or I don't know, 50% of chest voice and 50% head voice. As I go higher, I can sing only 40% chest voice and 60% head voice. So the higher you go, the less density you can apply at maximum. But in this song, I was singing at the very beginning of my mixed voice. It's very low and it sounds very chesty. But I would say also G4, A4, they also sound very chesty, because even if you're using maximum amount of density of your vocal cords, maximum possible, it will always sound chesty, even though it's not 100% chesty, even though it's 60% chesty, it will also sound very chesty, because you're using maximum amount of this density of vocal cord closure, of this degree of vocal cord closure. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.